Hi, hello and welcome to Mathware. In this video, I am going to explain about Euclid's division lemma. So in the previous video, we have discussed about algorithm. If you haven't watched that video, I am providing that link in the description box. You can go through it. So Euclid division lemma. So this is the most important topic in this chapter, Euclid's division lemma. Let us see what is the Euclid division lemma. How can we use this Euclid division lemma? Euclid division lemma states that given positive integers a and b. So here a and b are any two positive integers. So a and b are positive integers. There exists a unique pair of integers q and r. So there exists a unique pair of q and r. So here a is the dividend, b is the divisor, q is the quotient and r is the remainder. So in the previous topic we learnt about division algorithm, right? The same way here also for a and b there exists a unique pair of q and r. Q is the quotient and r is the remainder, which satisfies the equation. The equation is a equals to bq plus r. A equals to bq plus r. So a is the dividend, divisor, quotient and the remainder. Where there is a condition where 0 less than r equals to r less than b. So this remainder should be lies in between the 0 to b, or it may be equal to 0 also. So this is the Euclid's division lemma. A equals to bq plus r. This result was first recorded in book 7 of Euclid's Element. So division algorithm is based on this lemma. So let us apply this lemma. Euclid division lemma is one of the technique to find the highest common factor of any two numbers. So by using the Euclid division lemma, we can find the HCF also. Let us see how to find the HCF by using the Euclid's division lemma. Let us take one example. Find the HCF of 300 and 550 by Euclid division lemma. How to find the HCF of two numbers by Euclid division lemma? So now we are going to do that. So here the numbers are 300 and 550. Now we have to use the Euclid's division lemma. So let me write that Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma is a equals to bq plus r. So the condition is 0 less than or equals to r less than b. So from these two, take the bigger number as a. So a is 550 and b is 300. So now substitute a value and b value in this Euclid division lemma. So a is 550. 550 equals to b is 300. 300 into q. So that q we have to find plus r. That remainder also we have to find. Now think how many 300s can be fit into 550. So let us find this by the division. So 550 divided by 300. 300 ones 300, 300 to just 600. So we can take 300 ones 300 and the remainder we got here 250. So the quotient is 1. The quotient q is 1 and the remainder is 250. Got it? Next this divisor will become as a. This divisor will become as dividend. So 300 equals to 250 will become as divisor. 250 into quotient plus remainder. So how we done? Simply we can take this 300 as the dividend place and the 250 in the divisor place. So how many 250s can be fit into 300? Find it by the division. So 300 divided by 250. 250 ones 250. So by subtracting here we will get 50. So 250 ones are 250 and the remainder is 50. Now what would be the dividend? Dividend is 250. So 250 is equals to this remainder 50 will become as divisor. So 50 into quotient plus remainder. How many 50s can be fit into 250? 55 is a 250, right? So it is 5 and the remainder would be 0. So we cannot continue this now. Why? Because already we got the remainder here 0. So the division will be stopped. So now to find the HCF, look at on the divisor. At what divisor we got the remainder 0? then the divisor is the HCF. So the divisor is 50. At the divisor 50, we got the remainder 0, right? So HCF of 300 and 550 is 50. HCF is 50. At what divisor the remainder becomes 0? The divisor is the HCF of the numbers. So in this way, we can find the HCF by using the Euclid's division lemma.